Hello, my name is aBlockHunter and I'm a Minecraft YouTuber. This channel is all about fun. Since my channel first started, we have had 5 subscribers. Thank you to those families and friends. As you can see here, the comments aren't really doing good on our channel, but our views are at great numbers. So if you are any one of those viewers, make sure to subscribe every time. Now, why did I start? I always wanted to create a YouTube channel but never had the time. Now I start getting more and more time. With that, boom, aBlockHunter is born. Why did I choose the name aBlockHunter? I just got inspired off of some YouTubers. I thought the name was really good though. Why don't I reveal my face? I believe that if I don't reveal my face, you guys can get more creative. My face could look like anything to you. It's all the time I have today and in this channel trailer. So have a good day.